In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox to a GoHighLevel form. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clear opt-in or consent box on your form, customize it, and make sure it works the way you expect. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to the Sites section. From there, open Forms. This is where all your existing forms live and where you can create new ones. If you already have a form you want to update, simply open it and click Edit. If you're starting fresh, click Add Form to create a new one, then jump into the editor. Inside the form builder, look to the left panel for the field options. Find the checkbox field and drag it into your form. Place it where it makes the most sense, usually near the end of the form, right before the Submit button. Checkboxes are perfect for consent, terms acknowledgement, or marketing opt-ins, so positioning it clearly is important for user trust and compliance. Next, click the checkbox field you just added to customize it. Update the label to something clear and specific, like I agree to the terms and conditions, or I consent to receive marketing emails. Keep the wording concise and unambiguous so visitors know exactly what they're agreeing to. If you have a terms or privacy policy page, consider including that link in the label so people can review it. If this checkbox must be checked before submission, such as for legal or compliance reasons, toggle it to required. If it's an optional opt-in, leave it unchecked as required and make sure the label communicates that it's optional. While you're here, it's a good practice to name the field clearly in the settings so you can identify it easily in submissions and automations later. Consistent naming helps when mapping data in workflows or filtering contacts based on their choices. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Saving locks in your changes, so don't skip this step. If you're editing a live form, this ensures the new checkbox is immediately available to your users. Finally, test the form. Open the preview, fill it out like a real user, and try submitting with and without the checkbox selected. If it's required, you should see validation preventing submission until it's checked. Complete a successful submission to confirm the checkbox value records correctly. This quick test gives you confidence. Everything works before you share the form. That's it. Your checkbox is added, customized, saved, and tested. Thanks for watching.